Hi everyone, welcome to Config Labs, and today I'm going to show you how to create a Ubuntu Linux virtual machine in VMware Workstation Pro. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to the Ubuntu download page, and I'll make sure I link that in the description for you guys to follow along. The first thing you'll do when you're here is go to the Intel or AMD 64-bit architecture and then select download. This just takes a few minutes. I've already gone ahead and downloaded it, so now let's go into VMware Workstation Pro. So this is the 26H1 version, and if you don't have this software already downloaded, I'll also be linking in the description my video on how to download this software. First thing we'll be doing in here is selecting create a new virtual machine by selecting this button here. And we're going with the typical recommended setup. Then selecting next. The installer disk image, that's the file we just downloaded from the Ubuntu download website, and I've already linked it here, but if you don't see it, go ahead and browse and select the file. It will recognize right away that it is an Ubuntu 64-bit, and it's using easy install, which is super easy to get started with, so we'll select next. And here's the easy install, so we're just choosing a full name, and then we'll have to create a username and password. And the username, keep in mind, because it is Ubuntu, has to be in lowercase. And then you'll select a password and then confirm the password. Then select next. You can name your virtual machine and then choose a location that you want it saved to on your computer. So I have a folder called virtual machine, looks good, but if you want to change it, you would just select browse and then select that new location. So we'll go ahead and select next. The recommended size here for the disk capacity is 20 gigabytes, so we'll go with the minimum, but you can do as physically possible on your machine. There is no limit to that. And then if you want to store as a single file or multiple file, the main use of it is if you're going to be moving between computers, I would choose the split disk into multiple files. But for the sake of performance, because I'm not moving this, I'm going to choose store as a single file. And then select next. Here is the final overview of everything we've selected in the previous steps, and everything looks good, so I'm selecting power on this virtual machine and then finish. You'll begin to see your Linux virtual machine boot up. So this is how you would create a Linux virtual machine in VMware Workstation Pro, and I'm going to be creating another video on how to go through the setup of Ubuntu once it does start. If you like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.